Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by positioning the color correction card in the exact light hitting your subject. This ensures the reference matches the scene. Once placed, switch your camera to manual exposure and lock ISO, aperture, and shutter so nothing changes while you work. Then take a fill frame shot of the card, include neutral gray, white, and black panels, because you need accurate values for balancing. Make sure the card faces the lens straight on and avoids reflections, which would skew your calibration. Now capture your reference images. Shoot the card in RAW or the highest quality format so software can read uncompressed values. Next, record a short reference clip with the card visible for grading tools that sample video frames directly. This helps match moving shots. Once you have those references, remove the card and proceed to shoot your scene, but keep exposure and white balance locked. This consistency lets you apply the exact correction later and avoid shifts between takes or cameras. Import your reference images into the color grading software and use the eyedropper to sample the neutral gray to set white balance and exposure. That creates a baseline correction. Then refine tint, contrast, and color wheels to align skin tones and neutral targets. This is where you match creative intent. Finally, verify results on a calibrated monitor and on a second display. Troubleshooting tip: if colors clip or still look off, reshoot the card under identical lighting and repeat sampling to eliminate reference errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.